The secret of the fluent speaker is not like they know everything. It's also not that they are the perfect, they are the masters. No. The secret of getting fluency is the only one, that is the confidence. Yes, you heard it right. Because the people who are good speaker, when they started, they were not good speaker. They were not good at grammar. They used to speak broken English, but they had one thing, that was the confidence. They had confidence. They were confident enough that they will reach fluency. They will practice daily. They will definitely become the fluent speaker. That confidence began from the very beginning, and that point of confidence made them able to reach fluency. Just imagine that they were not confident on their speaking. They couldn't come here at the point where they can be called like a good speaker. So this is English speaking is all about your confidence. Once you gain this confidence, and this confidence needs to be at the time where your English is not good, your English is you speak broken English, you are not you feel hesitate. At that very moment you must be confident. You must believe in yourself that you will do, you will achieve, you will make it possible. And what if I tell one technique that will give you confidence, that will give you that will make you able to speak English fluently, that will make you able to become a confident speaker, that will make you able to think in English? What if I tell such type of technique? Yes, you heard it right. I have that type of technique that will make you confident. And if you will become confident, once you become confident, then there will be no limit of getting success, right? So let's the cat out of the bag, right? So here we go. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sonia Ansari English Academy. My name is Sonia Ansari and I am from UP. So the name of this technique is think in chunks. Yes, you heard it right. Think in chunks means think not only in words. Think, work not only on words. Don't spend much time on vocabulary only. Start working on groups of words. Start thinking about the group of words is called phrases. Prepare the phrases that will give you confidence, because when you use phrases in your sentences, phrases consumes more than half part of your sentence, and if half part of your sentence is ready-made and you have studied that more than half part a lot, then you will be confident in speaking that group, speaking that phrase. So using the phrases in English means you are thinking in chunks. Thinking in chunks means use phrases in your spoken. What will be the benefit? They will reduce your time to translate full sentences. Let's talk about how to do this activity, then I will be telling you the benefits. What are the benefits of this technique? For example, you want to eat something, then you will say I will eat. I eat. You will have to translate. मुझे खाना खाना है. I need to eat. You will have to translate. But if I give something that will consume more than half part of a sentence, then you will have to think only about one word of the sentence. Let's have an example. I'm feeling like. Use this phrase. I'm feeling like eating. I'm feeling like going. I'm feeling like working. I'm feeling like having tea. I'm feeling like bathing. I'm feeling like reading. I'm feeling like watching videos. Have you observed one thing? You are here only translating one word: eating, going, bathing, thinking, watching. The sentence is ready made. I'm feeling like. So cram this sentence. Cram this phrase. Repeat this phrase as many times as it becomes natural. For example, I am going. I'm going to means I'm about to do something. I'm going to speak. I'm going to bath. I'm going to work. I'm going to cook. I'm going to sleep. Have you seen one thing? You have translated only one word: sleep, go, come, listen. I'm going to listen. I'm going to work. I'm going to eat. I'm going to sleep. I'm going to wake up. I'm going to complete my work. You are here supposed to translate only one word. The full sentence is already ready made. I'm going to. It's like I'm about to. It means I'm about to do something. When we there is a work and we are going to do that work, we use I'm about to. I'm about to meaning मैं करने वाला हूँ. I'm about to go. मैं जाने वाला हूँ. I'm about to work. मैं काम करने वाला हूँ. I'm about to sleep. I'm about to enjoy. I'm about to cook. I'm about to sleep. I'm about to watch. I'm about to enjoy. Right? So these are the phrases. This technique is like thinking in chunks. Right? Now I need to, I want to, I'm about to, I need to go, I need to come, I need to sit, I need to stand, I need to lie, I need to do, I need to this, I need to this, that. Another. What can I say here is? What can I say here is? मैं इसके बारे में कह सकता हूं कि. What what can I say here is, I shouldn't do this. What can I say here is, this is just enough. What can I say here is, you should stand. What can I say here is, or what can I suggest here is, you must work hard. What can I suggest here is, you must wake up. What can I suggest here is, you should work. It means your speaking sentences are getting longer. Thinking in chunk gives you ready-made sentences that will help you to increase the length of your sentence. Right? Now, yeah, I can say only one thing. मैं सिर्फ एक बात कह सकता हूँ. I can say only one thing. We should stand for it. I can say only one thing. We shouldn't tolerate. I can say only one thing. We should do something. So these ready-made sentences, when you have copied enough, when you have used these sentences, these phrases a lot of time, they will become natural. And your English will also become natural. When more than half of the sentence is already completed, then your confidence will get increased. There is There will be no pressure on translating the full sentence. Pressure of translating full sentence will be decreased by only translating one word. The pressure of translation will get decreased. You will start thinking in English, because when you are using these phrases, these chunks, it means you are using already made sentence. What will be the benefit? Pressure of translation will be decreased. Your mind will start thinking in English. You will be having ready-made sentences. You will be confident, as more than half of the sentence is already made. Your speed will get higher, will get fast. It will pass your speed, as you will not think of translating the sentence, then it will not take time. It will save your time. When your time will be saved, it will increase your speed, and these things will make you able to feel confident. When you will be confident, you will start sounding natural. This is the power of thinking in chunks. Thinking in chunks is just amazing, guys. And I don't want to sit here to record and just to give a lecture. No, I just want to talk to you. Think in chunks means you are reducing your mental stress, the stress of thinking in Hindi, then translating, then speak. That will reduce. The time will also get reduced. Words will come out faster, and you will feel natural. Listener will listen. Listener will listen carefully, because these phrases standardized are spoken, right? So thinking in chunk, for example, you are doing something like at this time I am recording. Thinking chunk means use I am plus ing. I'm recording this. I'm listening a video. I'm cooking. I'm dancing. I'm moving. I'm watching. I'm going. I'm coming. I'm enjoying. Use these chunks also. I'm I was. I was plus ing. I was doing my work. I was working hard. I was feeling good. I was cooking. I was washing clothes. I was this. I was that. Use chunks. For example, do you? Do you love me? Do you hate me? Do you wake up? Do you sleep? Do you love it? Do you like it? Someone has come in my area to sell something. That's why you can hear the voice. And now I don't feel embarrassed. While earlier, when I used to record the videos and these types of sailor used to come, and I used to feel shame that what my viewers will say about this. The voice was coming from out from the background. Now I don't feel shame and anymore, because these things are natural. We are from middle class family, so these things are common, right? And lots of the people are also there from the background, from these types of background, where in their lanes these types of sailor comes, right? So please avoid it, as it's an inseparable part of a middle class people localities. We are not living in a localities where these types of things are not are rare. But so let's get Back to the topic. Yes, think in chunks. Like I used to. If you're talking about your past habits, then use I used to. I used to wake up early in the morning. I used to dance. I used to listen music. I used to watch movies. I used to go for outing. I used to listen songs. I used to go to my tuition. Use these chunks. Prepared work instead of working on vocabulary. If you will if you will work on these chunks, your English will get faster. Don't think about a word. Don't think about a word. For example, go. Don't think about only go. I'm going to. Don't think about only feel. I'm going to dance. I'm going to work. I'm going to sleep. Don't think about like. Use this like in chunks. I feel like. I feel like going. I feel like coming. I feel like singing. This type. Eat. I feel eating. I feel like eating something. Right? I feel like eating pizza. I feel like eating banana. I feel like eating burger. Don't think only about word. Think about chunks. Though these chunks will make you able to think yourself as you are improving. Your English is improving. You are getting higher level. You are improving every single day. So this technique is really an amazing technique. I started when I started using this technique, I used to feel that I was improving. And if you start feeling this feeling that I am improving, then you feel like enjoying. You feel like now uh, it's time to move on. You start feeling doing that thing. Practice more and more. When you start feeling improvement, you start working. You start practicing more and more. Like if you are practicing daily for 5 minutes, when you will feel that you are improving, you will start practicing more than 5 minutes, sometime 10 minutes. When you will improve more, a little bit more, then you will increase the time from 10 minutes to 15, then 15 to 20. I mean, what I mean to say here is, when you will start improving, you will start giving more and more time to your spoken practice. You will start enjoying practicing English, right? And if you will start enjoying your activity, then that is enough to get improvement, to get fluency, to reach your goal, that is to become a fluent speaker, right? So try this activity, guys. Seriously try it. It seriously helps. It seriously works, right? So before ending this video, let me ask you to please like, share and subscribe, as I always forget to ask you to subscribe the channel just in the beginning. And it might be possible that some people might come to my video, and they just see the beginning, and sometimes they don't feel interesting, then they leave. So I always think that I will say this thing to please subscribe, like, share and subscribe in the beginning. But when I start speaking about the activity, about the improvement, then I get engrossed in speaking about improving English, because here I don't use any script. I have only one topic that I will speak on this topic, that is think in chunks. Then things come from my mind, straight away, straight from my heart. I don't use any script, right? So catch you in the next video. Till then, goodbye. Love you.